deer.
Get a video. Get a video.
I know, I am.
Deer. Good.
There's deer. There's freaking deer.
I know. Oh, they saw us.
Okay. Oh wait, nope, there's another one.
Look at that. Yep, there's another one.
Cuckoo! Is he looking at me or is he looking the other way? Who the heck led him down the rabbit hole?
Skid steer is actually all four tires actually drive.
Woo!
Custom modified that tail wheel.
Oh god, no, don't come twice.
Kill us!
Seriously though, you would have killed us.
Oh boy. Okay, I had to
Go
run.
towards him. Go towards him.
No, Charlie, no.
No, him. No! Whoa, ow, tripped.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You could have killed us. This is like me on my first ATV ride.
It's like you the first time you're riding your boat.
Heard about the semi. No kidding. Let's go.
No emotions.
Content. Make it. We're being chased. We're being chased with a forklift.
Innocent children murdered by forklift.
Post it on your YouTube channel.
Totally. I can pause my video on any time of my devices.
Oh no!
Oh dear God. I want one!
Hold on.
This is so.
This is what? Yeah! Oh!
On time. Big grip. Oh man.
Ah! I fell.
This is fun.
This is unlike any ATV ride I've ever taken.
Everybody holding on again?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh God! Okay. Okay.
Oh, feel.
There you go.
Woo!
That was fun.
Looks like that wasn't gonna be the end of the video. I could have